it's Alyssa with The Life of an Aspie, and I'm here with Terryl of Terryl's Teaching Tools. And I wanted to show you guys all of this awesome stuff that she has here that's for people on the autism spectrum. She can explain it better than I can, so here's a video of her showing all of these things.
My company is Terryl's Teaching Tools, and I design scheduling systems for the community, home, and even school. We have many different activities. These are the current ones that we have, and we're always still growing. So each activity comes with photos like this, and photo with word, and word by itself. So you can work up to learning the word. The bags open up in the center, and so once a task is completed or something from your shopping list is found, so you put that inside and move on to the next one. So the top can attach to a grocery cart, handbag, any convenient place. Yeah, so we have many different activities, and we also have this scheduling system to help at checkout at the register with wipe-off marker. You can use it many different ways, whether it's how many bills, the amount, circling the number, and also the coins or the bills. Yeah, so I'm a parent. I have 2 young adults with autism, and so I was working at the grocery store. And I heard, kids having a hard time at the store, and I wanted to help. So I took my ideas to the store leadership. They liked it. We offered it complimentary, and people really liked it at the store. So, but then we asked for comments, and they wanted other activities, and they also wanted their own bag to walk around. So that's how got started.
Hey guys, so I didn't feel like being on camera, so here's a cute stuffed monkey instead. So I wanted to tell you that this is not a paid advertisement or anything. I just came across Terryl's booth at the Targeting Autism conference, and I really liked it. And a big reason is her system kind of was very similar to something that I had put together myself over here. As an autistic adult, I still needed lots of reminders of things and sort of a visual of what my day's going to look like. These are my routine cards, and I actually told Terryl about these too, because it is kind of similar for me, where I would have these, and I would lay them out in, let's say I would do this the night before for the next day, and I would lay them out in the order that they need to be done. So let's say I normally take my pills, and then have breakfast, and then, I don't know, exercise, and then get ready to go, and then, after that there might be work or shopping or something like that. And I space them out differently depending on how I see them in my head, like how much time I think they'd take up, or how much energy that they take up. Like this exercise would take up a lot, so I'd put more space between there. And then I would take one, like the one that I'm supposed to be doing, and I would put it in this. And I think I actually got this name tag thing from another conference. I actually made a video on my routine cards on my channel, and I'm going to link to it below, and I'm also going to link to Terryl's Teaching Tools if you want to grab one of those, because they're awesome. So this would be like my active thing I'm doing, and this will remind me to do it, and I can either wear it or put it in my pocket, and it's great. And another thing that I like to use, and this is only really a few of the things that I have, or a few of the tags that I have made, because there's a ton. I've got literally a ton. And similarly, this is not all of my magnets for my routine board that I made. This is similar to the routine cards, but I have little magnets, and on the side it has times of day. This is kind of based off of when I'm usually awake, and I will put these at certain times. So let's say at 3 p.m. that's when I decide to watch a TV show. Or, first thing in the morning, use the toilet. Yes, sometimes I need a visual for that, because if I forget, it's very uncomfortable when you forget to use the bathroom. Or I'll exercise at noon. Or I'll eat dinner at 7. This just gives me a visual, and I can actually switch them around. So let's say I didn't get to my TV show at 3, so I move it to 4. And I can also, because it is dry erase, use a marker. I'm not actually left-handed. And, and alright, let's say I want to watch a specific TV show. Let's say I want to watch Steven Universe. I'll just put like initials for Steven Universe because it's too long to write. And it's like, oh, I know, I need to watch TV show and it's gonna be Steven Universe. So, or like I need to exercise on the treadmill. Something like that. So I just got really excited about it because it's very similar to something that I do for myself. And I think it could be a really handy tool for people on the spectrum, especially if they need something a lot bigger than like this, or something with tags that won't get lost as easily as these. I just like things small and compact because, I'm good with small and compact, and I like it. But like if you need something that has that's a little bit bigger and more tactile, and that honestly makes a lot of sense, check out Terryl's teaching tools. It's really awesome. Bye bye.